so lucky to meet the fruit. Right now I'm so hungry. So now I have a chili salt and I'm going to. So now I have a chili salt and I will try my best to get the fruit to eat with chili salt, everyone. So I'm going to get it now. Wow, a lot of everyone, it's really good. It looks like so yummy. So wait for my eating, everyone. But I will try my best. A lot of. Everyone, I get a lot of Java palm fruit like this. Wow. Wow. I want it, so now I get it. But I'm so hot and I try my best. So I get it now. Oh, really hot, everyone. So now I have a chili sauce like this. Everyone, I have a chili sauce like this. So I'm going to mix this fruit with chili sauce, everyone. So look at me now. We take one by one like this. We take the black fruit like this. Because of the green fruit like this, we cannot eat. So we take the black. Everyone, we take just black. We don't take the green because of we cannot eat. Wow, it is a lot of black fruit like this. This is called Java palm fruit. Like I said again and again, I take just the black. Because of the green we cannot eat. everyone, the sky now is nearly to rain because of the weather now is so cold. Everyone, so now after we take the black fruit already, right now I have a chili salt, and then I'm going to mix the salt on the java palm fruit. Everyone, mix. We can eat just only one java fruit. It's enough, but for me I want to make more delicious than this, so I mix the java fruit with chili salt. Like this, we put like this, like this. Put like this, and then I'm going to make it. And then I'm going to make it like this. Make it to be well, everyone. Oh, not yet. Now it is not well yet, everyone. We continue to make. Wow, it looks like so yummy, everyone. Now it is well. It's already much well, everyone. So let me test this fruit. Wow. It is the chili salt and also java fruit. We merge it together, and then now I'm already merged, so I take one for testing. A new taste, everyone. It's really good and more delicious than other fruit. Wow. We cannot eat the inside of it. Wow. It's like this to be more yummy than. Wow. Really good taste, everyone. And I already said that it's so good for health, you know. It can help our health to be healthy. Wow, everyone. I ever saw the fruit have sale in the market, but it is not yummy like in the countryside like this. This I have a chili sauce and I trying to find this fruit at my countryside. This is my countryside, everyone. I know. Mm. Really hot, everyone, but it's yummy. So now I think it is enough for me of my eating right now. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video, and I promise that I will find a good landscape like this, a blue landscape like this, another a fruit in countryside and a fruit in my hometown like this to show you more for the next video, everyone. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.